Everything is clickbait. Everything is, if you don't like it, you can swipe in 14 seconds. We are, they refer to it as the adolescent brain never sleeps. It's always going. So what's happening is we have a bunch of kids right now in our classrooms that don't know how to be bored. Yeah. Can you imagine it? I don't know how to be bored. I can't just be bored and be okay with it. There is value in being bored. Yep. There's value in sitting there and going, I'm so bored right now, I could just jump out of my skin. But I'm okay. But they don't know how to do it because they've never had to experience it. When you have a constant sense of stimulation, when your brain is always being stimulated, it never knows what to do when it's not being stimulated. So we have to now teach kids how to do nothing. Guys, just take 5, we're going to do nothing. What are our choices? What should we do, miss? What should we do? What's expect? No, when I first did this with a 6th grade classroom, I said to them, I said, guys, for the next 30 seconds, we're going to do nothing. It's going to be quiet. I don't want you to think of anything. I don't want you to ask your neighbor anything. Nothing. They were jumping. You think it was 3 hours. I timed it. I took my timer, my 30-second timer. I said, you're going to think about nothing. They told me that it was actually impossible. Months later, we got to a place where we now had the 10-minute timer going. 10 minutes. We went from 30 seconds to 10 minutes, where they could sit and do nothing and think of nothing. And they actually were able to build capacity in their prefrontal cortex to learn more information because they freed up some space.